Hello everyone, welcome to CMS Digital Classroom. Today we are going to learn about the next chapter of your class, which is division. Okay. So suppose I am saying you have 12 chocolates and you have to divide that 12 chocolates by 3 chocolates to each. So how many students will get 3 chocolates? Then what you will do is show that we will first look. So suppose you have 12 chocolates. So I am marking here with the help of point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So suppose this much of chocolates you have. So here you have total 12 chocolates. Now you are distributing 3 chocolates to each student. So here suppose first student is here. यहाँ पे पहला student है. So you will give 3 chocolates to this student. Okay. So that means if suppose these 3 you are given to this particular student, so how much will be left? This much will be left. So how much will be left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 will be left. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Suppose now you have 9 chocolates. Okay. So what you did is 12 minus 3. So when you have done 12 minus 3, then you get 9. Right? So first time when you subtract, one time. Now again you will give more 3 chocolates to another student. So suppose here one more student is there. So you have given 3 chocolates to this particular student also. So again 3 will be minus. So how much? 6 will be left. So 6 will be left. These 6 are left. This you have given. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now again you have given 3 more. So 6 minus 3 again 3 will be left. So these 3 suppose you have given again here one student is standing. So now you have 3 chocolates with you. Okay. And again the last 3 chocolates suppose you have given to a particular student. Okay. So these 3 also left. Now you don't have any chocolates. Right. So now you don't have any chocolates. So because why? 3 minus 3 is 0. So now you have 0 chocolates. So what in how many students you have given? This is 1 student. This is 2 student. This is 3 student. This is 4 students. So finally that means 4 students to 4 students we have given 12 chocolates. So that means this is called repeated subtractions. Okay. So as like the multiplication is the repeated addition, so just opposite of that, division is the repeated subtraction. Okay. So until and unless you have to subtract with that particular number, until and unless you got 0 as the result. तो इसी तरह से हम यहाँ पे हर बार देखो 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जा रहे हैं और फाइनली हम लोगों को क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे 3 minus 3 is 0. लास्ट में हमारे पास अब 0 बचता है. So after that we will see in how many times we got 0. So first time, second time, third time, fourth time. So fourth step we got, so that means 4 is the result. Okay. So this is the basic about the division. As like first we try to understand in multiplications also that repeatedly addition. If you add as like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, as much as time you will add 3, that much time it will be. So as like yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3 is there. So 4, 3 means 3 multiplied 4 is how much? 12. So if you do the addition of this all number, it will come 12. So this is the repeated addition, multiplication is just like that. Division is the repeated subtraction. Okay. So what you will do is finally if you do the fair work of this. So what you will get is, so here the finally if you solve this type of problems, suppose now I am taking another example. We can take, instead of 15, suppose I am taking now 15. Okay, so 15 minus, suppose I am taking 15 and you are want to divide 15 by 5. So this you want to find out by repeated subtraction. तो repeated subtraction के हेल्प से इसको आपको निकालना है. So what you will do is, so 15 minus 5 is equal to how much? 15 minus 5 is 10. Then 10 minus 5 again. So 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. Then again 5 minus 5 is how much? 0. So each time you have to check. This is the first step. This is the second step. This is the third step. So in third stage, in third time we got 0. That means the quotient will be 3. Okay. So if you divide 5, 3 are 50. We know. Okay. So this is called the repeated subtraction. ये process जो हम लोग repeatedly subtract करते हैं, this process is known as repeated subtraction process. To find the quotient by using repeated subtraction process. Now you have to understood about some terms related to the division. Okay. So basically here you will learn about three terms. Okay. So the number, this number to which you want to divide, the greater number जिसको भागा करना है, वो सबसे पहले ये हमारा आता है जिसको बोला जाता है डिविडेंड. ओके, सो इसको बोला जाता है डिविडेंड. ओके, DIVIDE एंड D, डिविडेंड. सो द नंबर, द ग्रेटर नंबर टू विच यू वांट टू डिवाइड, यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर हो सकता है जिसको आप भागा देना चाहते हो, जिसको आप डिवाइड करना चाहते हो, दिस इज द डिविडेंड. उसके बाद हम लोग का आता है वो नंबर जिससे हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं, बाय विच वी आर डिवाइडिंग, जिससे हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं वो नंबर. ओके, तो ये हो गया डिविडेंड. नॉर्मली हम लोग का कोसेंट और रिमाइंडर में किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं होता है. द कंफ्यूजन हैपन विद द डिविडेंड एंड डिवीजन ओनली. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द डिवीजर, DIVISOR, द नंबर बाय विच यू आर डिवाइडिंग, जिसके द्वारा आप डिवाइड कर रहे हो. जैसे हम लोग ने इससे पहले जो एग्जांपल लिया था 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, तो यहाँ पे 12 जो था इसको हम लोग डिवाइड कर रहे थे तो ये डिविडेंड था, और हम लोग 3 से डिवाइड कर रहे थे तो ये डिवीजर था. तो डिविडेंड और डिवीजर आप लोग को याद रखना है. बाकी आप लोग को जो रिजल्ट पता ही है, क्वोशिएंट होता है, रिजल्ट जो होता है, रिजल्ट जो होता है क्वोशिएंट होता है, और अगर रिजल्ट के बाद कुछ रिमाइंडर बच जाता है, दैट इज द रिमाइंडर. दैट्स ऑल. सो मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट थिंग इज टू अंडरस्टैंड डिविडेंड एंड डिवीजन. ओके, सो डिविडेंड एंड डिवीजन एंड क्वोशिएंट. सो इन दिस समटाइम दिस टाइप ऑफ इक्वेशंस विल बी गिवन एंड यू हैव टू टेक व्हिच इज द डिविडेंड, which is the divisor and which is the quotient. Then directly you have to just write that dividend is equal to 15, divisor is equal to 5, quotient is equal to 3. Okay, so let's see now what else we have. Now which we have is division fact. In the previous video also I have explained related to the division fact. Okay, so in case of if it is asking find the division fact, then the multiplication or product of any number will be given. कोई भी नंबर का प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ रहेगा and you have to take the division fact of that particular number. तो यहाँ पे मान लेते हैं हमारे यहाँ पे एक नंबर दिया हुआ है कि 4 multiply 2 is equal to 8. 4 to 8 and you have to tell what is the division fact of this number. तो इसका डिवीजन फैक्ट दो तरह से हो सकता है. एक, एक्चुअली पहले ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द डिवीजन फैक्ट मींस. डिवीजन फैक्ट मींस व्हेन यू डिवाइड दिस बाय एनी वन ऑफ द नंबर, द अदर नंबर विल कम. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू डिवाइड 8 by 4, then you will get answer as 2, and if you divide 8 by 2 you will get answer as 2. So these two are the division fact of 4 into 2 is equal to 8. सो अगर हम लोग को डिवीजन फैक्ट निकालने बोला जाता है तो कोई भी दो प्रोडक्ट दिया हुआ रहता है, तो सिंपली हम लोग को क्या करना है कि जो प्रोडक्ट है उसको एक नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो दूसरा नंबर आ जाएगा। आप इससे डिवाइड करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा और इससे डिवाइड करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा। दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव डन एंड दिस टू वैल्यूज आर कॉल्ड द डिवीजन फैक्ट। ये दोनों चीज को डिवीजन फैक्ट बोला जाता है। उसी तरह से आप और भी एग्जांपल ले सकते हो, जैसे कि 5 into 3 are 15, राइट? So 5 3 are 15 अगर होता है तो what will be the division fact of this? तो division fact हो जाएगा, इसको पहले इससे डिवाइड करेंगे, उसके बाद इसको इससे डिवाइड करेंगे। जब इससे डिवाइड करेंगे then it will come 5 and when we will divide by 5 then answer will come 3, right? So 15 divided by 5 will be 3 and 15 divided by 3 will be 5. So these two are the division fact of 5 multiply 3 is equal to 15. So this is what about the division fact of a number. Okay. Now here we have one question. Share the following equally. 24 eggs are there. You have to share among 6 persons equally. And then we have 24 tomatoes which you have to share among 4 children equally. Okay. So both the numbers I have taken same. You can change this 28 कर सकते हो. Okay. So now 28 tomatoes are there. You have to divide among 4 children and each children should get equally. Okay. So simply through the questions only you have to understood that what operations will be used here. Okay. तो यहाँ पे equally divide करने के लिए बात कर रहा है. Share the following equally, that means definitely you have to divide. Equally we have to divide all. Okay. So 24 total number of eggs are 24. So first one I am doing total number of eggs is equal to 24. So total 24 eggs are there and total persons, okay, and total persons is equal to 6, right? And now you have to divide. So now share the following equally. So if you divide equally, therefore sharing equally each will get 24 divided by 6. So 24 divided by 6 means how many times 6 is equal to 24? 4 times, right? So 4 eggs. So the answer will be 4 eggs. So very easily, first you have to understand that how many total eggs are there or how many total tomatoes are there or how many anything, whatever, how many chocolates, biscuits, how many articles are there, that you have to check first, and among how many children or how many persons or among how many we have to divide. Okay, कितना लोगों को बांटना है या कितने में बांटना है, that you have to take check and simply you have to divide. Okay, so here we have done the same thing as like for the case of tomatoes also. In case of eggs we will write here tomatoes and the value will be changed. Okay, total tomatoes is equal to 28 and we have to divide among 4 children. So sharing equally, each will get 28 divided by 4. That's all. 28 divided by 4. So if you divide by 4 to 28, so how many times 4 is equal to 28? 7 times, right? So 7 times means 7 tomatoes each student will get. So 7 tomatoes each students will get. So this is how if any word problems come and asking to divide equally among any particular children or any particular persons and whatever the total will be given, you have to simply divide and find out. Okay. So now one type of question is this: show division as repeated subtractions by dividing 30 by 5. So here simply from this repeated subtractions you can understand, which I have explained the first, it is talking about that is how. So you have to explain by repeated subtraction that and then you have to divide, and you have to show how can we divide 30 by 5 by repeated subtractions, and you have to check the result. Okay, so let us subtract 30 is time 5. So 30 minus 5 is 25. Then 25 minus 5 is 20. Then 20 minus 5 is 15. Then 15 minus 5 is 10. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 5 minus 5 is 0. So how many times it is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means 30 divided by 5. Therefore 30 divided by 5 is equal to, यहाँ पे था 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have not counted this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times. So that means quotient will be 6. Okay. So you have to check from here. First time we got 25, second time we got 20, third time 15, fourth time 10, fifth time 5, and sixth time 0. So 6 times 5 is equal to 30. So that is how you can show if any division is given by repeated subtraction. Just you have to subtract repeatedly. Okay. So this is the initial, this is for understanding. So every time for division you need to do like this. Okay. For your understanding what the actually division is, for the understanding about the repeated subtractions only I am explaining. So if it is not mentioning that, just if it is asking divide 30 by 5, you can divide whatever the process you use. Okay. But if it is asking by repeated subtraction, then you have to follow this process. Okay. Here we will see third question of exercise 6.1. फर्स्ट का थर्ड है, एक नंबर का तीसरा क्वेश्चन हम लोग अभी देख रहे हैं. यहाँ पे बहुत इजी है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आप देख रहे हो कि यहाँ पे एक दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, तो इसको निकालना बहुत सिंपल है. ये जो नंबर्स है ये सिर्फ कॉपी करके आप इधर उतार दोगे तो वही आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So but still we will see that 42 minus 7 is equal to how much? So 42 if you subtract 7, then how much? 42 minus 2 is 40, then minus again 5, so 35. So here it will come 35. So same thing which it is here, it will come here. So यहाँ पे जो है ये आ जाएगा, बट आपको ऐसे कॉपी नहीं करना है, आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करके देखोगे. ठीक है, माइंड में सब्ट्रैक्शन करोगे, so your mind will be brighter. Okay. So 35 from 35 if you subtract 7, then from 35 5 minus means 30, then again 2 minus, so 28. So 28. Then again from 28 7 if you minus subtract, then from 8 if you subtract 7, that means 1, so 21. Okay, 21. So from 21 if you subtract 7, if you subtract from 21 1, that means 6 again, so 14. So 14. 20 minus 6 is 14. So now again 14, from 14 if you subtract 7 means 7 to 14, so 7. Okay, 7 minus 7 is 0. So how many times we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So that means 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. Right? So this is how very easily first and second question you can do. Just by subtraction only. Okay. Question number 2 is asking divide by repeated subtraction and find their quotient in each case. Okay. So again same thing we will do. We have to just subtract by repeated subtractions process. You have to divide by repeated subtractions process. So each time you have to subtract with a given number. So here first one we will do. So 28 minus 7 is equal to 21. The same thing which we have done now only. Okay. So then if again 21 minus 7 is equal to 21 minus 7 means 1 6, so 14, right? 14. So 14 minus 7 is 7, then 7 minus 7 is 0. So how many times? 1 2 3 4. So here Then again we will do this one also. So 60 minus 10 is 50. Then 50 minus 10 is 40. Then 40 minus 10 is 30. Then 30 minus 10 is 20. Then 20 minus 10 is 10. And then again 10 minus 10 is 0. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So here it will be 6. So this is how the rest of all of question number 2, by repeated subtractions you can find the cosine. Okay. Here question number 3 is asking write through division fact. तो division fact ऐसे हम लोग ने देखा किसको बोला जाता है, just after dividing this we will get this result, after dividing this with this we will get this result, that is the division fact only. So if you divide 36 by 9 then quotient will come 4. Okay, and if you divide 36 by 4 the quotient will come 9. So these two are the division fact of this multiplication. And here also same thing, if you divide this by this will be the quotient, if you divide this by this will be the quotient. So 40 divided by 5 it will give 8 as the quotient, and then 40 divided by 8 will give the 5 as the quotient. So these two are the division facts of this particular multiplication. So this is how you can find out the division fact for the rest of all questions by yourself. Next question is question number 4. Very simple. Here already the division is given. So you have to just take the dividend, divisor and the cosine. Okay. So now before that few times I will explain which is the dividend, which is the divisor and which is the cosine. Okay. So I told you all the dividend is the number which you are dividing. So here 36 will be the dividend. So dividend is equal to 36, and by which you are dividing, that is the divisor. So here divisor is equal to 6. Okay, and cosine is equal to also 6, because cosine result we got 6. So these are the three things which we got, right? In the same way, in case of this also, dividend will be 49, then divisor will be 7, because by 7 you are dividing, and quotient will be 7. So this is how very simply you can write the dividend, divisor and quotient from the given dividend. Okay, so I hope you can do as a homework exercise 6.1 by yourself. So your homework is exercise 6.1. Okay, so your homework is exercise 6.1. Okay, thank you. Have a good time. Take care.